Let us continue with the lungs today. Lungs are one pair. They are present in airtight chamber. Airtight chamber is our thoracic cavity or chest cavity. It is formed by vertebral column dorsally and sternum ventrally, lateral sides by ribs. It is closed below by diaphragm. Diaphragm is dome shaped. It consists of muscles which are called phrenic muscles, which are very important for NEET. Phrenic muscles. Phrenic muscles. Okay, it separates thoracic cavity from abdominal cavity. So these are lateral side ribs and towards the ventral side sternum, dorsal side vertebral column, downside by diaphragm, which separates from thoracic cavity from abdominal cavity. So these lungs are covered by two membranes called pleura. Outer membrane is in close contact with the thoracic cavity and inner membrane is close contact with the lung surface. In between the two membranes there is pleural cavity which is filled with pleural fluid. It acts as lubricant. It lubricates the pleura without friction. If there is no fluid, there will be damage to the pleura, thereby lungs will be damaged. So when we come to the internal structure of the lungs, at the time of the birth they are pink in color and in the adults they will be dark grey in color. If the person is smoking or like that, the lungs become more darker. Right lung is slightly above the chest cavity than the left lung because it is 2.5 centimeters raised due to the presence of liver which is present towards our right side in the abdominal cavity, and right lung composed of three lobes like this. 1, 2, 3. One is horizontal fissure and the other one is oblique fissure. In the left lung only oblique fissure is present. It consists of only two lobes. So as I told you just now, there will be two membranes, pleural fluid and present which acts as shock absorber. The outer membrane is in close contact with the chest cavity, the inner membrane is in close contact with the lung surface. And towards the left side, due to the presence of the heart, the left lung has a notch called cardiac notch. It has cardiac notch. When we come to the internal structure of the lungs, what happens? Cardiac notch is due to the presence of the heart. There will be network of branches of bronchi which are called primary bronchus, divided into primary bronchus, secondary bronchus and tertiary bronchus, and bronchioles will also be there which open into the alveoli through the alveolar ducts. So these are all the network of the bronchioles. Alveoli are the main sites of the exchange of oxygen and CO2 between the blood and the atmospheric air. So this is all about the structure of the lungs. Now what are the steps involved in respiration? First, breathing will be done. Breathing is nothing but simple inhalation of the atmosphere